we think it is time to raise the banner of one state in Palestine, where one man, one woman, and one vote is the order of the day. A state in Palestine in which the Muslims, the Christians, and the Jews that chose to remain there would be equal citizens under the law. And it would necessarily imply the dismantling of the whole system of Zionism, the whole system of settler-colonialism that the Palestinian people have endured, and indeed the people of the surrounding Arab countries have endured for almost 80 years.